Hi, I'm Shanae with WTI. So we are big fans of Robert Munsch in my house. He just has such a fun way of telling stories that really keeps my 4-year-old engaged. And a story we especially love is this book called Moose. So this is a story of a boy named Luke who wakes up to find an unexpected visitor in his very own backyard. And so he runs to tell his family, and of course nobody believes him until they see this large, enormous moose for themselves. And so everyone in his family has different ideas on how to shoo away this moose, from spraying it with a hose to chasing it with a broom. And of course, those ideas always end up backfiring. But in the end of the story, Luke finds a way to keep his new friend around. So this book is a really fun read, especially with all the sound effects used in the story, as Robert Munsch does in a lot of his stories. We always like to read those parts together, and we never get tired of this book. We've read it over and over again for a couple of years now, and we always enjoy it. So we absolutely love this book by Robert Munsch, and that's our point of view.